Malo, malo. We talked before about the differences between lau and lo'u, which is my, lau and lo, which is yours, but we haven't talked about lana and lona, which is his, hers, or its. Just to review, when it comes to possessive words like his, hers, my, yours, the A form is used when you have to give authorization. You have the authority and you're in control. Lau ka vale, lau ka vale, lana ka vale. When the possession is over the person by covering and protecting them, that would be like God, your house, because it protects and it covers you, or something given to you that's out of your control, like family relationships, your father, mother, brother, sister, or your name, which is usually given to you. There are other things as well that determine whether you use the A or the O, but those are just general rules. So to say his or hers, the Samoan word is lana and lona. Since his and hers both translate to lana and lona, you have to listen to the context of the conversation to know if it's about a male or a female. So look at someone right now. What are some of the things that he or she has control over? Lana filifilinga, his or her choices. Lana ka vale, his or her car. Lana launga, his or her speech. Lana taliatu, his or her reply. What are some things that he or she doesn't have control over? Lona ingoa, his or her name. Lona kinga, his or her mom. He didn't pick his mom. Lona atua, his or her God. This might be a really clear explanation. What if he's telling a story? It's his story. He has control over it. He can say whatever he wants. Lana tala with the A. What if someone is telling a story about him? He has no control over that story. The story is about him though. Lona tala. His story, or a story about him that people are talking about. I hope that provides a little more explanation.